Hey everybody, it is late at night and I am Norman. Tonight's video is long overdue. I'm going to be showing you what it is like to unbox a watch that if you follow this channel, you are already familiar with. So let us begin. So the watch that we'll be looking at tonight, I actually took to Florida with me, and if you haven't seen that video, be sure to check out the description below. I've also done a video talking about this amazing watch brand and how it actually saved Swiss watchmaking. That video is also linked below in case you haven't seen it. So let's flip the camera around and unbox this little watch. Okay, so here is the box that it shipped in. This is the Swatch Sigan, and I really hope that is how it is pronounced. If not, I do apologize. And we see the price is still on there. This is what they are currently listed at still. So this packaging is all cardboard, kind of in keeping with the theme of biomaterial. And we'll slide this off. And underneath we have our paperwork. So let me go ahead and remove this. The first bit of paperwork we have is just kind of like a warranty card. You have your date of purchase, reference number, and then a signature. I purchased this online, so it is all blank. I did buy it from Swatch's website, or rather my wife did, because this was a gift. And we have all the different countries swatches are sold in. Very cool. The other piece of paperwork is instructions, and these are all in a huge, basically folded up poster. That is craziness. All the different languages. That is wild. So we'll set this aside and we'll look at the watch itself. I can already hear it ticking. That's pretty cool how it's displayed there. And again, this is all cardboard, no plastic at all. Let's open it up. This just kind of comes off. And there it is. So you can see that it's kind of held in place by this. This is cardboard also, and it doesn't really hold it in there at all. This just kind of barely, this is just sitting here, and this is almost like a visual thing more than anything else. Pull that out. So here is the watch itself. This is the blue with the white dial variant. They also make kind of a yellowish green color, and they also do a black dial variant with white indicators and green highlights on it. And at some point, I think I'm going to have to get that one. If you are unfamiliar with swatches, one of the first things that you may notice are these strange lugs. So you can only use Swatch bands on these, so you're kind of limited. However, this is a gent style watch, so you can get all kinds of bands, because the original 1980s and 90s Swatches all had this size lug. So just search around eBay, all kinds of different places. I don't know if you can hear it ticking. I personally like loud ticking watches. When they're quartzing, they do tick, so these are fun. Alright, let's put this on the wrist and see what it looks like. Before I put it on, what is on my wrist? I am wearing the Nomos Orion Anthracite. And I have this on a Nomos strap that I purchased after the fact. It's a little bit shorter than the one that it arrived on, because that was kind of long. So now it's just right. Amazing, dressy Bauhaus piece. Alright, let's see the swatch on the wrist. So here is the Swatch Sigan on my 7-inch wrist. That looks so cool. The coloring is great. I love the vintage size because it's a gent swatch. And I love the, what is that, a center bar buckle there. I love the font on that dial. This one is actually kind of tame with that dial design. It almost makes it look like just a normal watch as opposed to a crazy artsy swatch. It almost feels a bit Bauhausy to me with that font and just the overall simplicity of it. That is super cool. So there you have it. We've unboxed the Swatch Sigan, which is part of the Bio Reloaded collection. And in my next video, we'll do an in-depth review of this watch. Thanks for watching.